guys, welcome to my channel. So before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, this YouTube journey is not easy at all, so I need your help to get to the top. So let's get started. This hairstyle was mega. It was beautiful. Yeah, all my co-workers were in love with this hairstyle. So what I did was I twisted my natural hair and I went ahead and used elastic band to hold it very tight, making sure it's secured. Then again, I used my pin and my extension hair. I pulled the extension hair through my natural hair. At times it's really difficult pulling it with a pin, so you can just put the pin aside and then use your fingers to pull the extension hair out. Then again, I went ahead and split my natural hair into two before I start braiding. I always don't forget to check the length if they are okay before braiding.
You are my God, you are my God, that's why you are my God. You are God over my life, you are God over my business, in my family you are God, Papa, you are my God. Jesus, you are my God, you are my God, you are my God, Jesus, you are my God.
So guys, the front of my hair, I used a styling gel pudding to soften it, to make it very smooth. And then again, I went ahead and used my edge control, yeah, just to create something nice. And also I went ahead and used elastic band to hold the hair, and then I pulled the extension through, direct under the hair, my actual hair. Then I use my fingers to pull it out. And also I dip my fingers in the deep in conditioner. This helps smoothing the hair whilst braiding. In case you want to know the products, the names of the product that I use, don't forget to check my description box. And also I'm gonna leave a link where you can purchase the hair as well.
You are the Lion of Judah, that's why you are my God. Jesus, you are my God.
So after braiding, I went ahead and used black castor oil on my scalp. It's written on the bottle that it helps prevent itchy scalp. I hope it works for me. So guys, this is Sweet Pelly for you. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, comment to support me.